Welcome to the channel. Today we will talk of how we can use FCM to send cloud messaging, like how Boomplay, like how WhatsApp does, and the rest. So first, I'm going to pick an image. I'll send it to this device. So I'll show us how we can send messages from our device to the user's device, or from user's device to another device, just like Facebook does, Instagram does. When you like a page, anytime a page posts, they will send you, so we can subscribe the user to our actions. So I will show you how to do that tonight. Please, at the end, you can subscribe. I will share the project with the link in the description. So I pick an image, pick a random image, cause of time saving, let me pick a lightweight image. Then I'm uploading it. I'll upload the image because in Firebase Cloud messaging you need to buy plan before you can upload message with image file. So we're going to upload the image to Firebase storage, then get the URL. When we get the URL, we're going to use the URL to send to the user. So this so if you want to send to multiple devices that have subscribed, the users can click on subscribe. You subscribe the user, so it's already subscribed. So if I click on send message now, it will send to all the subscribed. To send, or if I click on send to device, it will send to all the device. So that is it. So it will send a message when your app is in background. It uses background services. To send a message. So it has come because I'm subscribed. As you can see, this is a, let me screenshot it. Or if you want to send to specific user, I've gotten my device token, so I'm going to send to specific user. I will share this project on Sketch and Sketchly. Those are the projects that I'm working with, so you can get my project from there directly. If you have any error, you can call my attention. I will gladly assist. So I will show you how we can do this in Sketchware. We create our component. Our cloud messaging, and our storage component. Excuse me. So I name mine message. You can name yours anything, it doesn't even matter at all. Then we are going to use Firebase storage to get the URL of the image we will use. So you can name yours anything. So I name mine sample with a 5 picker component. Main type should be images, and that is all that is needed here. So in our on create, we are going to get the user device ID. So that we can send to specific user. So this is my FCM server token. You need to get it from your Firebase project. All you need to do is to go to your Firebase console. You click on your project. Sorry, I won't have time. You click on your project. You check your project settings. Then you will scroll the toolbar and see how to get it. Due to time constraints, I won't be able to show us, but in the part 2 of this video, what we'll be handling on click listener of when the background FCM is sent. I will show us everything in details. So I added an image. So when this image is clicked, it will upload. When the upload button is clicked, it will pick file using our file picker component. So on file picked, so when the file is picked, we add on file picked. We select on file picked. Now on file pick, I created a string variable to get the file path. So I name a string to store the file path. File path get at position of string. So we're getting at the first position of the list string, file path. So that is the path to the image. So I also added our button, our image. So when image view is clicked, it will upload the image to Firebase storage where our URL will be gotten from. So I use this block to upload it to Firebase with the path which we stored our file path in our on file pick, and get last segment of path block to get the file name. So this is used to get the file name. So on upload progress, so we can know when the image has been uploaded successfully and while it's being uploaded. So I toasted the progress using our toast block, and our toast string without decimal, so to get the percentage in plain digits without decimal points. So while the images have successfully been uploaded, when it has finally been uploaded, we are going to set text the download URL. This is the download URL. So this is our subscribe, our send to subscribers. So I'm going to, if it's checked, if you select subscribe, so we're going to show our subscribe button. But if you uncheck it, then we're going to set our subscribe button to gone. So there's no need of subscribing when you do not want to subscribe. So when you uncheck it, then we're going to get device token. So on subscribe button clicked. So the subscribers, they subscribe to Sketchly. So when there is a success, we will toast a message subscribed to Sketchly. When there is failure, which we don't expect, we will write subscription error. So we can tell the user maybe server error, try again later, your network is not connected, and so on. So when send message is clicked, I didn't use this again. These are not needed, but you just need to add this code. So when message is clicked, we will use this code to send the notification. So what you should know that this edit text 1 and edit text 2 used there are no longer useful, but you need to put something there. So you just need to use it. But when you are using it for personal, you just know that I didn't really activate it with the function. I just call it directly. So we created a media type, JSON, our JSON. So using background tags, we are going to send HTTP request. This is the body, which is the content, which is this content, sample FCM device to device, the title, the image, which is the URL we got from our Firebase storage. Then the icon. This icon name must be there in your drawable. So the icon name must be there in your drawable. Then we also put click action. So when users click on the image, the background service, it will go to the intro activity. Like I said, I will explain it more in our part 2 of the video. I just need you to motivate me into making it. So when they click on it, it will go there. So we are sending, our notification type is notification. So our notification type is notification. This notification type here is just a string, whether we should send it to specific device, send it to specific device, or we should send it to group of devices. So that is all we need to do here. Not to forget, please, you need to add your Firebase configuration. You need to add it. This project will be on the set stores, like I said. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Watching the video means a lot.